Welcome back to the world of impressive wood chipper machines. Join me in discovering the powerful and surprisingly effective working capabilities it brings through the following video. It's impressive to see how quickly and efficiently the Bandit 18XP wood chipper can convert difficult to process wood into small chips. In Norway, if a tree declines by about 30%, the tree is in its final stages. Therefore, treating trees earlier with a Bandit chipper saves costs for owners. With a capacity of more than 200 horsepower, chopping trees up to 40 centimeters in diameter with the BC1500 chipper is easy. The Beaver 2021 20-inch capacity wood chipper boasts a huge list of options to customize the machine, as well as more standard features than any other wood chipper in its class. With its large loading chamber, it's amazing that the Bandit 18XP chipper can hold and chop 3 large trees at the same time. I am very impressed with this 250XP Bandit chopper. Every time I see it operating both powerfully and nimbly, I can't seem to take my eyes off it. In Africa, the Boscos tomcat wood chipper is perfect when you want to clear your farm of invasive bush species. When the Vermeer wood chipper is in operation, one can feel the power and agility of the technology at work.
Alright, here goes the log.
With high capacity, Brush Bandit 250XP is capable of handling larger trees than what you are seeing. Known as the 150XP Bandit, this wood chipper has the fastest chopping ability among devices in the same line, bringing high efficiency to the working process. The versatility and sharpness of this wood chipper make the woodworking process easier and more efficient than ever. The Bandit 2590 rail chipper shredded large and small trees, quickly freeing up 38 acres of land. Although this chopping machine has a large capacity, it seems that chopping that wood is too much for it. The worker had to stop halfway to find another solution. I think you are no longer unfamiliar with this Bandit 12X wood chipper. It's really impressive because of its great working ability. This wood chipper is the hero of all big yard jobs. Although they are a bit noisy, they chop trees faster than you can cut them to put them in the trash. Thanks to this compact chopper, he can easily move them along to clean the whole garden. It's amazing that this machine can chop more than 12 m3 of wood per hour, including trees up to 5 m long and large. The agility and compactness of this wood chipper not only enhances performance but also helps reduce production time and costs. Although small, its chopping power is very large, so users should limit bringing their hands too close to the chopping blade to avoid danger. Incredibly, this Vermeer BC700XL beast of a machine chewed through an entire 25 ft tall by 6.5-inch long birch tree in less than a minute. They used it continuously for over 3 days without any problems. It is magical to witness the power of this wood chipper. Although compact, they can process tons of wood per hour quickly and efficiently. Experience unparalleled wood processing power with the Pezzolotto PTH 1400-1000 drum chipper. And it's driven by a powerful Caterpillar engine. This beast of a machine easily turns wood into valuable scraps, helping to protect the forestry environment. The CBI 6400 CT horizontal grinder is a formidable machine that boasts an incredible 1050 horsepower engine, capable of processing over 200 tons of material per hour. It plays an important role in land clearance, recycling effective waste. Unleash the power of precision grinding with the Vermeer HG 6800 TX horizontal grinder. This easily handles large volumes of material and sets the standard for performance and reliability, promoting productivity and environmental responsibility in the woodworking industry. Propelled by a powerful Caterpillar engine that produces an impressive 1150 horsepower, the Pezzolotto PTH 1300-1500M drum chopper achieves an incredible output of up to 120 cubic meters per hour. The Comtech Axtor 6010 is designed to tackle even the toughest jobs, making it a key asset for reducing environmental impact while reusing valuable resources. With a powerful motor delivering more than 755 horsepower, this advanced Vermeer HG6000 can process up to 400 cubic meters of material per hour, making an important contribution to land clearance and environmental protection. The Bandit Beast Model 2680 is a formidable force in the woodworking field. Equipped with a powerful 768 horsepower Volvo engine, this beast of a machine can easily crush large volumes of wood, processing up to 150 tons per hour. The John Deere 1410D mounted wood chipper is a dynamic combination designed to streamline forestry operations. Its compact design and high-performance capabilities make it an indispensable asset for forestry professionals. The Jensen JT600Z Lithium is a force in the world of wood chippers. Renowned for its efficiency and reliability, it has a sturdy design and a processing capacity of more than 25 cubic meters of wood per hour. The AHWI Chipper Hacker EC950Z is mounted on a Fendt 930 tractor. It is a formidable duo that is revolutionizing woodworking in forestry. With its high-powered motor, this machine can process up to 50 cubic meters of wood per hour. The OP Urjo 993 wood chipper is equipped with a powerful Scania engine. It has a capacity of 550 horsepower. This allows the operator to quickly convert raw wood materials into valuable wood chips, contributing to the improvement of wood products on the market. Let's see the wood processing process of the CBI Magnum Force 6400 CT horizontal grinder, a powerful industrial machine. Driven by the CAT C27 motor, it can crush large volumes of water with high precision. These advanced machines play a key role in woodworking, easily grinding large volumes of material with high precision and speed. With its sturdy handle and precise handling, the Timco Feller Buncher quickly collects and loads processed wood waste into the crusher, contributing to effective waste management. The OP Urjo 993 wood chipper, mounted on a Volvo FH16 truck, is a formidable force in wood processing operations. Equipped with a powerful Scania DC16 engine with an incredible 550 horsepower, the OP Urjo 993 wood chipper easily turns logs into valuable wood chips at speeds of over 20 cubic meters per hour. Ranked in the top 10 of the woodworking industry and boasting a powerful engine capable of delivering over 500 horsepower, the Volvo 2654 is a testament to engineering excellence, moving through rugged forests to manage the tallest trees. Next comes the formidable Brush Bandit 1590 XP 2006 hydraulic drum chipper. Featuring a powerful hydraulic system and advanced technology, this beast easily shreds giant tree trunks with precision and high efficiency. With advanced inventions and powerful operating mechanisms, this machine easily crushes large trees, making an important contribution to the development of other industries. The formidable Peterson 2007 4700B grinder is a game changer in the world of wood waste recycling. With a massive engine that produces an impressive 875 horsepower, this machine can process large volumes of wood debris with unparalleled efficiency. The Rotochopper FP66 wood grinder and chipper is a dynamic duo that redefines wood processing efficiency. With powerful crushing ability, the FP66 easily turns wood waste into valuable mulch. Enter the realm of non-stop wood grinding with the Morbark 6400 XT Wood Hog. With a powerful 1200 horsepower engine, this horizontal crusher can destroy large volumes of wood waste, processing up to 200 tons of material per hour. Enter the realm of shredding excellence with the Argus Raptor XL. With 760 horsepower, this shredder pulverizes an incredible 200 tons of material per hour with ruthless efficiency. Dive into the skilled world of wood chipping with the Morbark 2755 wood chipper. This easily processes more than 100 cubic meters of wood chips per hour, turning waste into valuable resources, contributing to sustainable land management while maximizing productivity. Considered a symbol of reliability and performance, revolutionizing the way wood chips are handled and reused, the Model 40-36 Morbark drum chipper easily handles mixed tree branches and twigs, processing up to 45 tons of material per hour. With its excellent ability to process hardwood logs, the Pezzolotto PTH 1200 660M drum chipper plays an important role in biomass production, and forestry operations ensure sustainable resource use while maximizing efficiency.
Thanks for watching our video until the end. What impressed you the most? If you have any suggestions, please leave a comment below. We appreciate your feedback to enhance our future videos. Don't forget to click like, share and subscribe for the latest updates from us. Thank you very much and see you soon.